at the perimeters. That's my little security guard over there. Look, walking the fence line like a little velociraptor. Oh, you're so cute, Annie. I think that cat should be the last place you want to run to if you're going to be attacked. He's definitely nosy. How can I attack her? So let's say, wait a minute. It's my little feather. Is she okay? Is someone bacon over here? Everything okay up there, Annie? Oh Lord, he's gonna think that's little Feather. It's the robot. Feather's behind you though, you better watch it, Kazi. Whoa, good jump, Annie. My kittens are jumping, oh my God. Can't handle it. They're so patient.
Kitten, can you see me? Kitten.
Little Feather's just learning how to play. She's never had anybody to play with. Except for an old dog that was protective of her. And a young dog that was scared of her. Now she's got 3 kittens. And they are starting to get as big as she is. She's just a little runt. And I don't think they're going to be runts. So she better watch how she fools with them. 'Cause I'm sure they will remember. It's so fun to watch Little Feather play for the first time though. Oh, I'm so happy for her. I've wanted this for her for so long. My little baby Feather. And Cosmo's just the one to do it. My little middle child syndrome. See something going on over here. What is it, little Annie pie? Oh, good catch, Ann. Is your brother still down there below? Hmm. What are you batting after, huh, beautiful? Cosy. You just want to chew on the zip ties, don't you? You're so cute. That's why I didn't cut them off. That's adorable. Teeth on him, honey. Teeth on him. I think your brother's down there, but you wouldn't see him. He's darker than a cave. Beautiful as heck. Look at that precious angel. He's in there. You can't see him. It's so cute. As he lifts his head up and you can see inside of his ears. There's a black cat in there. This one, he gives himself away with his little white socks. That's that noise on TV. You guys don't like a doggy's barking, do you? What are you doing, Cos? Cosmo? What you looking for, honey? I love how curious this one is. So bold. He's so bold. Let's see what little Juju's doing. Nothing different, just being cute. Yes, you are. But your little twin sister's staring right at you. Okay, it's enough for a night. Hate to let you guys go. I want to remember them always young and full of life. So vibrant and adorable. So interested and enthusiastic about everything. Curious. Learning how to play for the first time ever. Timid, precious. Oh, the most precious. Look, he's got company. Oh my God. What happened, baby boy? Huh? Did your sister come crash your party? Yes, you got a kitten drop down on you. Mommy missed it. But that is so sweet. I love you guys so much. Oh, I'm sorry. Your sissy ran you out. Your brother was getting ready to if she didn't. Oh my God. How cute. I love you, Cosmo. I love you, Cosmo. Can you give mommy kisses? Can you give mommy kisses? See, not with that light in my eye, I won't. Oh my God. One jumps in and they all gotta do the same thing. Look at these two twins right here. Refusing to accept one another. They're so much alike, it's ridiculous. Who do we got in there now? Oh, you guys chased Arrow out. Now it's you two, Annie and Cosmo. Annie, don't you let him win. Akazi, are you gonna stand for that? You're just gonna let him kick you out of your own nest? Huh? Arrow? You gonna just call me Cosmo. Arrow, you gonna take your spot back, baby? Arrow, you get your butt back in there and you tell them to get out. You get your butt back in there. That's your brother and sister. Or you just eat the side of it. Whatever. You be easy with her, Cosmo. That's a girl. That's just a little girl. She's tinier than you are. He found something more fun to do. He don't even care. I love you guys. Oh my gosh, it's hard to stop watching you. You're so cute. Yeah, you gotta bite her and then lick her wounds. Give her a bath. I love you guys. You all sleep well. Find a good spot to sleep, okay? Comfort your mommy. She's over there all alone. You're a good boy, Cosmo. You're such a good boy. Yes. You give your sissy a bath. I love you. You're so cute. Oh, I wish I could just take you to the bed with me and just squeeze you and hug you and kiss you. Loves of my life right there. Animals. All of them. So cute. Hi, gorgeous. You gonna take your spot back now? Look, everybody's out now. It's all back yours, Cosmo. You can get it right now. I'm Arrow. Gosh, I keep calling him Cosmo. Go ahead, baby boy. Get it, Arrow. It's yours, honey. Good job, baby. Good job. You leave him alone. You let him have it. It's a good boy. That's a good boy. Yes, you get your spot, honey. Yes, you get your spot, baby. I love you, Arrow. I love you, Arrow. I love you, baby. You're such a good boy. Yeah, you're such a good boy. Oh, you want to give Mommy some loving? Oh. Thank you, baby. Thank you. What a sweetheart you are. Oh my God, you're such a soul smasher. Oh, my baby. Couldn't love you more if they paid me. Any of you. All of you. My little baby triplets. I'm so thankful to have each and every one of you. Yes, I am. I'm so thankful. I love your little clubhouse. No wonder you like it in here so much. It's pretty cool. Mommy's never actually been in here before. Good night, my loves. Sleep well and stay warm, okay? You just want to know what's in there, don't you, Scarlet? It's just Arrow. Scarlet. Scarlet. Scar. Scar, Scar. Now look, Little Feather's interested in what you're interested in. Feath. Oops. Please don't drop that bomb up that big on top of little baby Arrow. He's too tiny. Come on, let's go night-night. Feather. Feather. Scarlet. Feather and Scarlet, where you go night-night? Come on. Come on, guys. Come on, Scarlet. Let's go night-night. Come on, Scar. Let's go night-night. Come on, Feather. Feather. Come on. Turn off the lights. Turn it down the TV. I totally wish that June could learn how to be a cat again. Just a regular old kitty cat that doesn't care about a thing in the world, curious about anything. All she wants to do is lay on Mommy's work standing room. Don't you, baby girl? Be petted. She won't even eat until everybody else is eaten and there's nothing left. She won't move floors. She won't jump on furniture. She won't even do anything wrong whatsoever at all, except She growls at Feather, and that's it. And she meows a lot. I gave her everything I could possibly think of. I've taken her to the vet countless times. Yes, Annie, yes, your mommy calling. Good girl, Annie. Good girl. That's what mommy said. You better go to your mommy when she calls for you, right? That's a good girl, Annie. You come to your mama. It's okay, June. I'm here, honey. I'll be your mommy if you be Annie's mommy. You love your Annie, don't you, June? You love your little Annie, don't you? Yes. Yes, mommy knows you love Annie. Yeah. Good girl, Annie. Good girl. Oops. Annie, come to mama. Come to mommy. Where's your mommy? Where's June? That's funny. I love you, June. Go ahead, I don't care. Tear up whatever you want. Whatever makes you happy. Whatever makes you happy. Oh, you almost got in there, Annie. I saw that. I was about to move that basket. I was about to give up on you jumping in there. Your daughter's got to go check their perimeters. That's you. That's not Little Feather. That's you. It's just a mirror, baby girl. Why don't you growl at that image? You somehow know that's you and not Feather? Okay. Good night, my loves.